Welcome, seekers of wisdom, to Unlocking the Universal Lattice. For centuries, mystics, mathematicians, and philosophers have sensed a hidden order to our universe, an intricate blueprint that connects everything from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. In this journey, we will delve deep into this cosmic framework. We will explore the profound and mind-bending idea that our reality is not a product of random chance, but is meticulously built upon a hidden language of numbers, frequencies, and sacred geometry. This is not just a theory, it's a journey into the very nature of existence. Prepare to have your perception of the universe and your place within it completely and irrevocably transformed. Our first stop on this extraordinary journey is the fascinating and elegant world of emerps. The word emerp is simply prime spelled backwards, and that's exactly what they are. These are special prime numbers that, when their digits are reversed, create a different prime number. Think about it. A prime number is already special, divisible only by 1 and itself. An emerp is a prime that holds a mirror to itself and finds another prime staring back. A simple concept on the surface, yet it holds a deep and profound significance in the cosmic order, a beautiful, symmetrical dance of numbers. Let's consider the emerp pair 37 and 73. These numbers are not just mathematical curiosities. They are imbued with deep symbolic meaning in various ancient traditions. The number 37 is often associated with masculine energy, the active principle, the spark of creation. In contrast, the number 73 represents the feminine, the receptive principle, the vessel of creation. They are a mirrored pair, a perfect dance of duality, representing the two fundamental forces that underpin our reality. This isn't just about numbers. It's about the archetypal energies that shape our world. When we multiply these two powerful numbers, 37 and 73, we arrive at 2701. This number is not random. In the ancient practice of gematria, where letters are assigned numerical values, 2701 is the precise numerical value of the first verse of the Bible, Genesis 1 verse 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. This is a breathtaking revelation. It suggests that the very fabric of creation, as described in ancient texts, is encoded with this fundamental principle of duality, the union of the masculine and feminine energies represented by 37 and 73. Now, let's delve into a more mysterious and esoteric concept known as the Six-Fingered Manifesto. This refers to ancient knowledge, whispered down through the ages, sometimes attributed to enigmatic beings with 6 fingers and toes. These beings are often depicted as teachers or guides who brought advanced knowledge to early humanity. The manifesto itself is not a physical text, but a body of wisdom that reveals a fundamental, repeating pattern in the universe, a hidden code that governs the structure of reality itself. The core of this ancient teaching is the digital root cycle of 6, 3, and 9. The digital root is the single-digit value obtained by an iterative process of summing digits on a given number. When you examine certain numerical sequences that appear throughout nature and the cosmos, you'll find they consistently reduce to these 3 numbers. This creates a rhythmic, resonant pulse that underlies the fabric of reality. It's a hidden rhythm, a secret frequency that, once understood, unlocks a new level of perception. For example, let's look at the multiples of 6. We have 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and so on. Now, let's find the digital roots of these numbers. The digital root of 12 is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. The digital root of 18 is 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. The digital root of 24 is 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. The digital root of 30 is 3. The digital root of 36 is 9. Do you see the pattern? It's a repeating cycle of 396. This is not a mere coincidence. It's a fundamental code, a mathematical signature woven into the very structure of our universe. This pattern with the number 9 becomes even more intriguing when we compare its multiplication table to the SIXS table we just examined. There's a stunning reflection, a mirror image hidden in the numbers. It's another layer of the universe's hidden language. On one side, we have the nines table, 9, 18, 27, 36. On the other, the SIXS table. Notice the symmetry. 9 times 1 is 9, a visual flip of 6 times 1, which is 6. 9 times 2 is 18, and 6 times 3 is also 18. 9 times 4 is 36, and 6 times 6 is 36. The connections are woven throughout the tables, a beautiful numerical dance. Look at this. On one side, the multiples of 909, 18, 27, 36. On the other, the multiples of 654, 48, 42, 36. Notice how 9 times 4 is 36, and 6 times 6 is 36, and 9 times 6 is 54, which is the reverse of 6 times 9. The products mirror each other in a beautiful, symmetrical dance. This brings us to the starseeds, also known in some traditions as the Beni Elohim, which translates to the sons of God. These are said to be advanced souls from higher dimensions, from other star systems, who have chosen to incarnate on Earth at this critical time in our history. They are not aliens in the way popular culture depicts them, but rather, they are our cosmic family, here to help guide our collective evolution and awakening. So we've journeyed through the mystical world of Emerps, the divine duality of 37 and 73, the cosmic code of 639, including the fascinating mirroring of the 6 and 9 multiplication tables, and the enlightening mission of the starseeds. We've seen how these seemingly disparate concepts are all interconnected, woven together in the grand tapestry of the universal lattice. The universe is not a random collection of events, but a beautifully orchestrated symphony of numbers, frequencies, and consciousness. The patterns are everywhere, waiting to be discovered. Like, share, subscribe if you're interested in this sort of stuff. Go in peace and be blessed. So we've journeyed through the mystical world of Emerps, the divine duality of 37 and 73, the cosmic code of 639, the mirrored tables of 6 and 9, and the enlightening mission of the starseeds. We've seen how these seemingly disparate concepts are all interconnected, woven together in the grand tapestry of the universal lattice. The universe is not a random collection of events, but a beautifully orchestrated symphony of numbers, frequencies, and consciousness. The patterns are everywhere, waiting to be discovered. Like, share, subscribe if you're interested in this sort of stuff. Go in peace and be blessed.